Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom of the settings in order to open About Phone. Now let's enter software information and find the build number. It is crucial to actually enable the mode in which we will find proper options. So basically just keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings, scroll down again and tap on the developer options. Basically here all we have to do is to simply swipe just a little bit to find the option auto update system. So in my case this option is turned off, so if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. And from this moment, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you basically don't have to remember about manually updating your device, just remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to how to activate automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.